side stand. Aha.
RevelatorAlf.
Side stand. Aha. That's the reason why it won't start. Of course, yes, I knew that. Yeah, just in case you ever thought why you can't ride your bike, and the reason is safety feature. Obviously, the side stand is down, and I'm going to show you how it works basically. So if we come to the side stand here, or as the Americans like to call it, the Jiffy Stand, I call it kick stand, right underneath there's a little micro switch, and that'll basically tell you whether the stand is down or it's up. And they say obviously you want it all the way up just in case, you know, it clips on something and it'll make you fall off and everything. But I'll show you exactly where this micro switch is. It's right there. You see? It's right there. Look at that. So there you go. So if you try and start your bike and you try and ride off with it and it suddenly conks out, the reason is you still got your side stand down. Simple, but that's it. Bikes never used to have that. Most bikes, modern bikes, have this now, this feature, and you know, and some bikes actually stops you from starting the bike as well. But on Harley, you can start the bike, but as soon as you put it into gear, that's it. Whoa, nothing. And as soon as you try to go off it, you know, nothing. And it messes up with your dash, and then the digital readout will say side stand. It even tells you what's wrong with the bike. Very ingenious stuff. Right, catch you on the next video. Hope this helps. Please like, share, subscribe, and all that kind of good stuff. Check out the website as well. And yeah, that's it. I suppose I better go and ride now. Ta-da.
RevelatorAlf.